Hello, my name is Greg White. I'm a professor of computer science specializing in cybersecurity. I'd like to welcome you to today's video, which is part 3 of our series of videos on deepfakes. Today's topic is deepfakes detection and prevention. I represent the Wyoming Cybersecurity Action Network Committee, a grassroots level organization attempting to help Wyoming citizens become more cyber aware. These are just some of the organizations on the Wyoming CAN Committee that sponsor this content. We would like to thank them for their support of this program. If you recall from part 1, deepfakes are videos that have been edited in such a way that the person who appears in the video in reality was not at the location shown in the video, or did not say what was heard in the video. The implication of this is that no longer can we totally trust what we see and hear in videos. There will always be certain individuals who attempt to use deepfakes as part of misinformation campaigns. Consequently, researchers are exploring differing methods to detect deepfakes in order to expose them. One such project relies on the limitations of the algorithms in deepfake software to spot the distinctive characteristics that are present in deepfakes. Like many topics in security, this is an ongoing game of back and forth where advances in detection will be met with advances in deepfake creation, which will then in turn require new methods of detection. A more recent method involves the use of digital fingerprints that are left by our digital cameras. Researchers at places such as Facebook have been working on advanced techniques utilizing artificial intelligence algorithms to look for unique aspects of a photo left by each individual camera. To explore this concept a bit more, every time you take a photo, certain extra information, such as the time and location, are embedded in the file. While there are methods to remove this information, unless you use software to get rid of the embedded data, it will remain. More importantly for deepfake detection, no two cameras, even given the same lighting from the same location, will result in the exact same image. Each camera has subtle differences that can be detected. This is important then because areas that have been manipulated will not have the same fingerprint as other areas of the photo. So, how serious is the threat to us from deepfakes? How likely is it that somebody will create a fake video of us? Unless you are a public figure, the possibility of a deepfake being created of you is fairly minimal. There are some emerging threats that we have seen, however, such as the use of a voice deepfake to trick an individual into transferring funds to an account. There's also the possibility of the use of a deepfake video showing an individual in a compromising position that might be used in a blackmail attempt. The chance of these occurring are slim, unless of course you are a public figure such as a politician or head of an organization. The more likely event that might happen to you is somebody manipulating a picture such that you appear in a compromising position. But this technology has been around for years. We have seen incidents of this occurring, especially to teenagers who post images of themselves and have somebody download them, then put their face on the body of another individual. For our teens, we need to ensure they know this is a possibility and to tell us, their parents, if something like this happens to them. There are other protections, such as legislation, to make these images illegal, the software that is being developed to detect faked images, and the use of common sense and best practices. Trust but verify is the key for things such as fraud detection. I hope that you have enjoyed this video series on deepfakes and that you learned something from it. This is the last in the series of deepfake videos. I'd like to thank you for attending today's Cyber in a Box library program brought to you by the Wyoming CAN Committee and your local library. Thank you.